So today we are studying on chapter 6 substances in daily use and standard 6th subject science question number 1. So today we are taking the chapter 6, our first to fifth chapter was done and its solutions also given in the previous videos. You see in the previous videos. Now we are doing the chapter 6 substances in daily use. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks using proper words. A. Rubber made by vulcanization is a man-made material. Answer is man-made. B. Man-made materials are made by processing natural materials. Answer is processing. C. Nylon thread was developed simultaneously in New York and London. Answer is nylon. D. Rayon is also known as synthetic silk. Answer is synthetic silk. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. A. Why did the need for man-made materials arise? Answer. For several years, humans have been dependent on natural materials to meet their demands. However, there has been a shift towards the use of man-made materials are well increasing population, deforestation and limited natural sources are some of the reasons due to which the need for man-made materials arise. Another reason which lead to the increase in the use of man-made materials was to get comfortable lifestyle. B. Which are the natural materials obtained from the plant? Answer is B. Sources are plants and animals. Natural materials. Plants' natural materials are wood, rubber, cotton, and the animal natural materials are fur, leather, and the silk. And the plants' objects are furniture, balloons, tires, etc., clothes. And the animal objects are hats, sweaters, handbags, shoes, and the saris. C. What is vulcanization? Answer is vulcanization is the process carried out for the production of rubber. In this process, raw rubber is heated with a mixture of sulfur and an appropriate additive at a temperature range of 61.85 Celsius to 141.85 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 hours. Sulfur is added to give touchiness to rubber. D. Which natural materials are used to obtain fiber? Answer. Natural materials obtained from plants and animals are used to obtain fibers. For example, wool and silk are natural materials of animal organ which are used for obtaining fibers. Wool is obtained from the fleece, hair of sheep or yak, and silk is obtained from the cocoons of a silk moth. Cotton and jute are examples of natural materials of plant organ which are used for obtaining fibers. Question number 3. What we used for? A. Soil. Soil we used to. It is used in construction, pottery, medicine and the cosmetics. B. Wood. Answer is it is used in making furnitures as a source of fuel, utensils, hand tools, musical instrument, wooden toys, etc. C. Nylon. Answer is it is used in making canopies of parachutes, tents, sleeping bags, sails, rope, tennis strings, fishing poles, and the lines and cookware, etc. D. Paper. Answer is it is used in making bags, envelopes, notebooks, packaging purposes, etc. E. Rubber. Answer is balloons, erasers, rubber toys, rubber balls, etc. Question number 4. How is paper manufactured? Write in your own words. Answer is paper is manufactured by the following process. Logs of wood are made to pass through a debarker. When the barks of the tree are separated, then the wood is chopped. Wood is chopped into small pieces and it is mixed with some chemicals and water in digester for the formation of the pulp. The obtained pulp is washed, refined, and sometimes even bleached. The pulp is made of the travel down the screen to remove excess of water, and excess means the water layer is there, and then to the rollers where it is being dried and squeezed between large rollers to form rolls of papers. Question number 5. Give scientific reasons. Scientific reasons. A. We must use cotton clothes in summer. Answer. We must use cotton clothes in summer because they protect us from the heat of the sun. They absorb sweat and help keep our bodies cool. The pores in cotton clothes also the free movement of air which helps cool our body. Full stop. B. Answer. B. Question. We must observe economy in the uses of materials. Answer is B. We must observe economy in the use of materials because they directly or indirectly affect your environment. Most of the natural materials which we obtain from our environment are exhaustible or non-renewable resources, i.e. once these resources are finished they cannot be renewed again, or even if they can, it would take several years to do so. For example, the forest from the where we obtain wood and precious resources, because once a forest destroyed, it would take several years to renew that forest. Renew means the forest is going very bad condition. Its renew means we have to clean the forest. That means renew. Also, destroying the forest for our needs affect the habitat of several other species of organisms and plants. The man-made materials which we use are largely non-biodegradable. For example, plastic, etc. Increased use of man-made materials pose a threat to the environment because their disposal is not easy and leads to environment pollution. This, for example, plastic, etc. Increased use of man-made materials pose a threat to the environment because their disposal is not easy and leads to environment pollution. This example states the importance of judicious use of both natural and man-made materials. C. We very well know that paper is obtained from trees. Trees are important resources because they not only provide us with wood or paper but are also habitat from various organisms. They are important in maintaining the climate as well. The more paper we use or waste, the more no of the trees will have to be cut. C. Saving paper is the need of our answer is we very well know that paper is obtained from trees. Trees are important resources because they are not provide us with wood or paper, but also we habitat for various organisms. They are important in maintaining the climate as well. The more paper we use or waste, the more number of trees will have to be cut down from the purposes, thus leading to various kinds of, by mistakenly we add the space and areas, various kinds of harmful effects on our environment. We should make a genuine effort in saving papers by adopting small steps which can make a huge difference. D. Man-made materials have no more demand. Answer. Man-made materials have more demand because of their characteristic like easy to use, low cost of production, cheaper products and variety of things which can made from them. E. Humus is a natural material. Answer. Humus is a natural material because its formation is a natural process. It is the dark colored layer of topsoil that is rich into nutrients. The decomposers convert the dead animals and plants into humus that is utilized by the plants. It increases the fertility of the soil. Question number 6. Find out. 1. How is lac obtained from nature? Answer. Lac is natural resin and its product of animal origin is secreted by insect known as lac insects. It is ordered to obtain lac. These insects are cultured and the technique is called lac culture. Lac culture requires proper care of host plants, regular pruning of host plants, propagation, collection, and shrubs. Lac secretion begins as soon as the larva of the insect settles on the plant. Initially, lac has a shiny appearance, but later on it's turn harder or coming in contact with air. This lac is then collected and used for making jewelry. B. Means 2. How are pearls obtained? Pearls are precious jewelry and the only gems created by a living animal. They are formed when a microscopic foreign object finds its way inside a mussel or oyster. The animal coats the objects with a substance called nacre. With time, several layers of nacre build up over the foreign material, thus leading to the formation of a pearl. These oysters' mussels are collected from a sea and opened to collect these pearls. Thank you.